You've probably now learned that mitochondria generate all the energy for your cells. But how exactly does that happen? I want to remove the mystery, because when you feel confident in how your body is functioning, you'll feel confident about how and why spirulina algae has the solution if you are having lowered energy and less ATP. So the way that this thing called ATP, which is your cellular energy, is created is through a very interesting process called the Electron Transport Chain. You've probably seen a relay race where runners will pass a baton to one runner and then to another runner and then to another runner, and then hopefully they pass the finish line and they win. Well, the same thing happens when you're generating cellular energy, except instead of runners, you have these molecules. And instead of a baton being passed, it's electrons being passed. So when your mitochondria are working properly, this process of passing the baton is very efficient. And at the very end, instead of crossing the finish line, you generate lots of cellular energy called ATP. But there's a lot of things that cause this process not to work. And a lot of it is toxins, lack of correct nutrients, stress, and particularly the lack of an antioxidant called superoxide dismutase, which is found in the highest concentration in spirulina algae from ENERGYbits. Stay tuned, because we're going to tell you more about how that happens and how it can correct anything that's going wrong with your relay race.